Hi, and welcome back to the myGDX provider portal. Today we'll be reviewing how to order and activate your collection packs. To begin the process, you can start by clicking Order a Test from the navigational menu or the Order and Activate Test button at the top of the landing page. We'll first ask who the ordering practitioner is. If you have access on behalf of multiple accounts, they'll be here in the drop-down menu. Please select the appropriate account, authorize the order, and then we'll ask if you're ordering or activating collection packs. For ordering, you can ship collection packs in bulk to your office using Ship to Office option, and you can hand those collection packs to patients as they are seen. Or you can ship collection packs directly to your patient's home using the Ship to Patient option. Finally, we have the Activate Online workflow to activate your office inventory collection packs so that you can activate the collection pack before handing it to a patient. Let's start with reviewing the Ship to Office workflow. On the ordering page, you'll see we include a product highlight section to announce any new product launches. And to assist with your ordering, we have a few features that will help you review our catalog. The first is a search feature, which searches line of business, product name, or individual markers. For instance, if I'd like to see which testing includes the vitamin D marker, I can type that in here and then review the list below. You'll see in this list we include the standalone test, but we also include any of our Genova tests that include this marker as a component or add-on. In addition to the search feature, we also include a few pre-built filters. At the top of the list are your recently ordered products for easy reordering. We also include our most popular profiles, a breakdown of each line of business here at Genova, as well as a complete alphabetical listing. To complete your Ship to Office order, simply indicate how many collection packs you'd like shipped to your office, select your shipping method, and provide any processing instructions. Once you've had a chance to review your order, you can go ahead and submit that for shipping. Now let's take a look at the dropship workflow. Again, we'll begin by choosing the Order a Test option in the menu. We'll select the ordering practitioner and authorize the test. And we're going to choose the Ship to Patient option so that the collection pack goes to the patient's home. The account we're using today supports Medicare billing, so we're being asked if this patient is billing to Medicare or not. If your account does not support Medicare, you will not see this question. In the dropship experience, we see the product highlight, the search feature, and the filters that we've already reviewed. However, we do have an additional feature for dropship ordering, which is the customized Genova profiles. If your office has a scenario where you order the same testing across the patients, such as onboarding a new patient or ordering the same testing for similar symptoms, you can go ahead and set up a new custom profile. For instance, this account has a new patient profile, which includes the NutriVal and the GI fundamentals, and it's all set up to bill our practitioner account. So with one click, all of this order information will populate for this patient. However, if you don't want to use a custom profile or it's not been set up yet, you can begin an order with any of our products below and work from there. For this walkthrough, we will use the new patient profile. And you can see in the background that panel selection, billing options, and diagnosis codes have all been pre-populated and saved based on that customization that we made for that profile. So for this order, I simply need to provide patient information, which I can do by either searching my order history if it's an existing patient and pre-populating the information that way, or if it's a new patient, I can manually enter their information here. Once I submit the patient information, I can review my order, make any necessary edits to test selection or billing option, and then submit for shipping. Finally, let's take a look at the online activation. We'll begin again by choosing the Order a Test option from the menu and selecting the ordering account and authorizing the test. After choosing the Activate Online option, we'll pull the paper requisition or activation number from the activation card within the collection pack. If that has been misplaced or you don't have access to it, you can use the I don't have a number feature down here in the corner. However, if you do use this feature, we do ask that you print the electronic requisition that is made available on the summary screen at the end of this process. Please include that with the collection pack when it's returned to the lab. This will ensure we can successfully process these samples. I'll go ahead and choose the test selection for this activation. and you'll see the system will walk you through each of the sections as the dropship experience did. However, with activation, you can hand off things like patient address, insurance, and payment information, as well as sample collection details. We'll invite the patient to complete those portions when they come to our website and complete their portion of the online activation. All of your collection pack orders are available back on the home landing page of the myGDX portal in your account activity table. If you're not familiar with this table, it is loaded with all of your orders, including patient results. If you'd like to review your collection pack orders, click the Pending Orders tab and review those then. Hopefully this has helped walk you through how to order and activate your Genova collection packs. However, if you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your sales representative.